Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel like you're constantly running on a treadmill with a never-ending to-do list chasing you? In our fast-paced world, it's so easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of work, family, and social obligations. Before we know it, stress becomes our constant companion. We feel overwhelmed, irritable, and just plain exhausted. If this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're kicking off a series on finding peace amidst the chaos. We'll explore simple, effective relaxation methods that you can fit into even the busiest of schedules. The first and most crucial step on this journey is understanding where our stress actually comes from. So let's get started. To truly tackle stress, we first need to become detectives of our own lives. What are the specific triggers that send your anxiety levels soaring? It's often a combination of things, but a huge and frequently overlooked category is our environment. Think about it. Where do you spend most of your day? Is your workspace cluttered and chaotic? Is your home filled with constant noise from the TV, traffic outside, or non-stop notifications on your phone? These environmental factors might seem small, but they add up, creating a low-level, persistent hum of stress that drains our energy and patience throughout the day. Let's do a little experiment right now. Take a moment to just listen. What do you hear? The hum of your computer, the distant sound of a siren, a conversation in the next room? Now think about your visual surroundings. Is your desk piled high with papers? Are there clothes scattered around your room? These aren't just physical messes, they're mental messes too. Our brains are constantly processing all this sensory information, and when it's overwhelming, it can trigger our fight-or-flight response, keeping us in a state of high alert. A cluttered, noisy space sends a subconscious signal to our brain that our work is never done, that there's always something demanding our attention. It is like trying to sleep with a bright light shining in your eyes. You might eventually drift off, but the quality of your rest is seriously compromised. So how do we begin to identify these environmental triggers? The key is mindful observation. For the next few days, I want you to carry a small notebook or use a notes app on your phone. Whenever you feel a wave of stress, frustration, or anxiety, pause for just 15 seconds. Look around. Listen. What's happening in your environment? Write it down. Maybe you'll notice that you get tense every time your email notification pings. Or perhaps you feel your shoulders tighten when the construction noise starts up outside your window. It could even be the harsh overhead lighting in your office. The goal here isn't to fix everything at once, but simply to gather data. You're becoming aware of the invisible forces that are impacting your well-being. Once you have this list, you'll start to see patterns. This awareness is incredibly powerful because it moves you from a place of feeling vaguely stressed all the time to knowing exactly what's causing it. And once you know the cause, you can start to find a solution. Maybe you can't stop the construction, but you can invest in noise-canceling headphones. Maybe you can't change the office lighting, but you can bring in a small, warm light desk lamp. You can dedicate 10 minutes at the end of each day to tidying your workspace, creating a sense of calm for the next morning. It's about taking back control, one small change at a time. This simple act of identifying your environmental stressors is the foundation for building a more peaceful life. Give this a try over the next week. The insights you gain might surprise you. In our next video, we'll talk about what to do with this newfound awareness and explore some powerful techniques to create your own personal sanctuary, no matter where you are. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next part of our series. Take care, and I'll see you soon.